Good day and welcome to the latest episode of Dutchbricklayers. Today, we take you into the world of laying windowsill bricks and the specific use of buttering mortar in our recent project. We begin the task with some cutting work, as it's necessary to trim our windowsills to fit properly at the corners in our project. When working with an electric stone saw, always maintain your focus and adhere to the safety regulations. The precision required in laying ceramic windowsill bricks demands meticulous attention to detail. It is generally recommended to stay at least 5 millimeters below the underside of the lower sill with the windowsill bricks to prevent capillary action and potential moisture damage. However, due to limited space and the presence of steel frames, we slightly adapt our method, always striving for the best possible outcome. To achieve the correct slope, a recommendation of around 15 degrees is commonly advised. We slightly deviate from this, but maintain a pleasing slope. Normally, we use silver sand for jointing, but for this particular project, we're employing our normal mortar, a coarser variation that challenges us to maintain slightly wider joints. This leads to a different approach, yet we aim for a stunning result both functionally and aesthetically. These ceramic windowsill bricks serve not only as functional building elements, but also contribute to the visual appeal and durability of the entire structure. We eagerly await feedback and are open to any questions. Don't forget to keep track of our progress and subscribe to our channel for more insightful perspectives and updates on our craftsmanship.